Hi everyone, we're just here to unbox another Seagate IronWolf drive. Again, this one, so the last one I got and this one, they've put this big sticker on the top. I don't know why they've done that. I've bought quite a few drives over the years. None of them had this sticker, so I don't know whether that's just something new. Anyway, let's open this up. This one came sent to me in a plastic bag, so we just had the box in a plastic bag from overseas. I don't think that was really ideal, but anyway. These boxes are quite good, but in a plastic bag. Okay, so yeah, you rescue data recover services information, a warranty and manual, and our drive. Okay, 8 terabytes. Really? Okay, I'll have to double check on that. I think that was supposed to be a 10, so I might be doing another unboxing. Let's have a look. I'll see if I can. And now, you don't often come across that type of thing. That is, if they made an error, which I think they have. Or if I made the error. No, that's actually probably correct. That's the 8 terabyte one. So that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. So that's good. So no, they haven't made a mistake. I had ordered a 10. That may be coming later. Anyway, so that's good to know. I haven't had issues with buying these. These ones come from the States. Sometimes they come from the UK. You really don't know. You have to look closely at where you're buying them from. I try and buy it from Amazon direct, not through third parties. That way, if you have any issue, Amazon will look after it rather than trying to deal with a third party that might have taken off or be difficult or whatever. I probably wouldn't buy these things over eBay. Amazon seems to be better if you have an issue. Anyway, that's just my experience. So that's the way your 8 terabyte IronWolf will come. Most of these IronWolf drives come in this type of box. So usually they put this box inside another small box, and that's quite good. That gives quite a bit of protection, as you can see. This is a decent thing for shipping. Inside a plastic bag. Well, if somebody throws it, coming on and off the plane or in a delivery van, it's probably not ideal. The more padding around it, the better, because discs are sensitive to shock. I have had the misfortune of actually just dropping a disc only about that far once onto a table, and lost everything and was not able to recover. So that's your unboxing on the 8 terabyte IronWolf. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, actually I'll just add on, there is another video I've got where I compare the width and the sizes of the different IronWolf drives, so you can do a search for that if that interests you. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in another video. Bye for now.